Hey Canada, listen up. Are you ready to break into the US market and skyrocket your business? Hold on tight because today I'm exposing the number one mistake Canadians make when expanding their business to the US. And trust me, it's a game changer. If you're serious about crossing borders and creating unstoppable success, you can't afford to miss this. Now, let's get real. Expanding your business to the US is the ultimate power move. But if you're not careful, one misstep can cost you time, money, and even your dream of cross-border success. In 2025, with the US market hotter than ever and opportunities exploding, there's no room for rookie mistakes. So what's the number one mistake that's holding back so many Canadian entrepreneurs? It's underestimating the importance of a well-structured business setup. You might be thinking, it's just paperwork, right? Wrong. The way you set up your business isn't just about formality. It's the foundation of your success, your legal shield, and the key to unlocking that coveted E2 visa. And if you get this wrong, everything can come crashing down. The costly consequences of a poor setup. Let's break it down. When you expand into the US without the right business structure, here's what can happen. Delayed visa approvals. A sloppy business structure sends red flags to US immigration. They want to see your business is real, sustainable, and contributing to the economy. Without that, your E2 visa application can be delayed or worse, rejected. Double taxation nightmares. Imagine paying taxes on the same income twice, both in Canada and in the US. A poorly planned structure can leave you exposed to double taxation, eating away at your profits and hindering growth. Legal liability. Without the proper entity set up, your personal assets could be on the line if something goes wrong. You need a bulletproof structure that protects you and your family from potential legal issues. Missed opportunities. Every day wasted on fixing a bad structure is money lost, deals delayed, and opportunities slipping through your fingers. Every day wasted on fixing a bad structure is money lost, deals delayed, and opportunities slipping through your fingers. In today's fast-paced market, you simply can't afford that. These aren't just theoretical risks. They're real consequences that have derailed many promising Canadian ventures. And here's the kicker. The solution is within your reach, but only if you know how to do it right. How to build a bulletproof business structure. All right, now we've drilled into the risks. Let's talk about solutions. How do you avoid this number one mistake and set yourself up for unstoppable success in the US? Follow these essential steps. Step 1, choose the right entity. Your first move is picking the right business entity right now. In the US, most Canadian entrepreneurs opt for an LLC or an S Corp because these structures offer flexibility, liability protection, and tax advantages. But you need to make sure that you talk to a professional before you set anything up. It's not just about picking a fancy name, which is the decision that lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Step 2, leverage cross-border expertise. Don't go at it alone. The rules on both sides of the border can be very, very complex. Partner with legal and financial experts who specialize in cross-border business. They'll help you navigate tax treaties, compliance issues, and the intricacies of U.S. business law. This is where you turn potential pitfall into your greatest advantage. Step 3, plan for scalability. Your business structure should be built not just for today, but for tomorrow. Think about growth, whether it's expanding to multiple locations, hiring more staff, or even diversifying your product line. A structure that can scale with your ambitions is non-negotiable in 2025's dynamic market. Step 4, optimize for tax efficiency. Nobody likes handing over their hard-earned money in taxes. A smart business setup will help you take advantage of tax benefits, avoid double taxation, and keep more profit in your pocket. Work with a tax professional who understands both US and Canadian systems to ensure you're always on the right side of the law. Step 5, document everything. This may sound tedious, but having a comprehensive documentation for your business setup is critical. From detailed business plans to proper incorporation documents, every piece of paperwork adds to the credibility of your venture. When it comes time for your E2 visa, review. This documentation will be your best friend. Follow these steps. And you're not just avoiding a massive pitfall, you're setting yourself up with a rock-solid foundation for success. It's about being proactive, smart, and laser-focused on long-term growth. Remember, the right structure doesn't just protect you, it propels you forward. Let me hit you with a real-world example that drives the point home. Meet Jason, a savvy Canadian entrepreneur who wanted to expand his tech consulting business to the US. Initially, Jason almost made the mistake of setting up a loose partnership without proper incorporation. He was on the brink of a disaster, delayed approvals, messy tax issues, and potential legal nightmares. But then, Jason decided to consult with our cross-border experts, and together we restructured his business into a tax efficiency and scalability company. The result was that his E2 visa was approved in record time, and his US operations are now thriving. Jason went from a near disaster to a cross-border success story, all because he fixed the critical mistake early on. Jason's story isn't an isolated case. This is a testament to the power of getting your business structure right from the start. And if you're serious about expanding your business to the US, this one mistake that you cannot afford to make. Your next step, secure your success today. All right, if you're ready to crush this mistake and secure your spot in the US market, it's time to act. Don't let a poorly structured business hold you back from your full potential. Click the link in the description to book your strategy call with our team of cross-border experts. We'll walk you through every step, from choosing the right entity to optimizing your business structure for maximum growth and tax efficiency. This isn't just advice, it's a proven blueprint for success. 2025 is here, and the US market is exploding with opportunities. Your business deserves the best start possible. Don't risk it all by ignoring the fundamentals and secure your future. Protect your investment, and let's build something unstoppable together. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the difference between success and failure is often in the details. Let's get it right, let's get it structured, and let's dominate the US market together. See you on the inside.